For some properties, there are acres and acres of brush mowing to get done each year. The Orc Brush Rover is a riding brush mower built for challenges that come with clearing difficult brush conditions. Its compact size makes it easy to transport from property to property, while at the same time, makes it agile enough to mow around obstacles and through narrow areas. Powered by a 21 horsepower commercial grade engine and its variable speed hydrostatic transmission system, the Brush Rover and its large agricultural tires helps the machine mow slopes up to 15 degrees. When an operator needs that extra traction for slope mowing or to power up and over a group of saplings, there is a differential lock that can be engaged, which locks both rear wheels to work in tandem. Armed with two tough flail blades on each end of the spinning blade stay, the Brush Rover mows at a width of 38.3 inches. The cutting height is adjustable for brush mowing as low as 2 inches to as high as 5 inches. The Brush Rover is an essential machine for landscaping teams, construction contractors, facility maintenance crews, parks departments, and large property owners. It is the perfect weapon for clearing brush on slopes, around obstacles, and a variety of uneven terrain. The Brush Rover might be tough on brush, but it sure makes cutting brush a fun task for outdoor professionals.